When I started looking into the actual name of Bankstown, I was quite shocked to realise it was named after Sir Joseph Banks. And of course, Banks is the original namer of a lot of things in the flora and fauna from a colonial viewpoint. For example, the name Banksia. All of those words are attributed to him arriving with Cook in 1770 and presumptuously naming things. I personally have an obsession about the naming of things in that type of a way. So when I asked in this work, what is your real name? And then the graffiti says Banksia, I'm asking, what was Bankstown's real name before colonisation? What did the Indigenous people of the area refer to this area as? I'm sure there's a number of different names, but we take for granted using the colonial view, and that's only been 250 years relative to 80,000 years of occupation by Indigenous Australians. I think that the positive thing to come out of these times is a questioning of how we live, and I think also within the work that I make, and as I say, I ask an open-ended question, what is your real name? And for us not to be so easily coerced into the colonial viewpoints and to start to ask more questions. You know, I'm always trying to get my audience to think a little bit more about what's actually been happening, what's happened and how we can move on and be more fair in our view of people. I think that the hope that I see is in us questioning and us doing the future in a different way than we've been doing the past.